Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and today I'm looking at a book which has come from Jordan's, from Family Law. It's an interesting book because it deals with ADR in Ireland, what they call appropriate dispute resolution. We call it alternative dispute resolution. This is the book here. It's quite a big book. It's got a subtitle, A Handbook for Family Lawyers and Their Clients, and is written by Josepha Madigan. And there are a team of specialists, contributors. There's quite a detailed index at the back, and there are details on the contributors, again to be found at the back of the book. The book itself is very much what you would expect it to be. You've got, for instance, paragraph numbering at the sides there, and you've got the old footnotes at the bottom, so that's quite helpful. There are various specimen forms that you can use, which will assist in mediation, and there are also a lot of useful points in the contents file. Do read the foreword, which is at the front there. That's written by Her Honour Judge Petria MacDonald, and then there's a preface by the author, and as I say, you've got a very substantial amount of information in the book itself. I find this book very interesting because I think it gives us a fresh approach in this country as to how we're going to go about ADR in the future. We've given it the title, which is on the web and in the journals, ADR by Another Name, a positive and practical approach of interest to UK practitioners as well as those in Ireland. And that's really what this is about, because what's in a name? In England and Wales it's alternative dispute resolution. Ireland it's appropriate dispute resolution. For instance, in Australia it's external dispute resolution. It's all the same thing, and that is trying to avoid going through the very harrowing, sometimes, difficulties of court trials. I suppose the difference in the nomenclature is there because of the way in which each of these types of approach is being developed. It's an absorbing book, clear and practical, and the point about the book, as far as I see it, is it seems that in Ireland barristers and solicitors have a duty to provide information and advice on mediation following the Draft Mediation Bill of 2012. We don't actually have quite such a strong stance on mediation here in England, but I believe that with the Ministry of Justice looking very much at this area for family disputes in particular, it's one which I'm sure will be of interest to many people as we move forward this decade. The adversarial system, which is mentioned at the beginning of the book here, is in many of these cases described as a blunt instrument for resolving disputes, and the remark is made that all initiatives, including mediation, designed to improve the resolution of the family law disputes are to be welcomed. And I think that is important in the rather different family law issues that are now confronting people in Ireland. The book is designed, the author says, to empower clients with a viable and often more appropriate mechanism for resolving family law disputes, in the hope that the book will emerge as a reference tool for the judiciary and mediators and so on. I'd like to thank all concerned for this, because I think it's an excellent contribution to where we're going with ADR. So thank you very much indeed for raising the interest and the level of the debate. Thank you. Bye-bye.